Welcome everybody to God Family Bikes. Rob Martin here, and today I'm gonna work on refurbishing or doing some maintenance on my trailer. As you can come over here and see, my trailer has kind of been rotting through. I bought this thing used. It's rotted back here, and we got some rot up front. Also here where we tie the bikes down, you can see the plywood starting to dent in. So today we're on lockdown for the coronavirus. So I'm gonna have my two boys, Simon and Isaiah, show you guys how to tear apart this trailer. And then we're gonna redeck it and paint it so it's not all rusty and hopefully get in better shape. And I'm gonna try to capture all that on time-lapse photography. So hopefully you guys will see everything start to finish. So we got the trailer all cleaned up here, looking pretty decent. Yeah, it looks like this was an old boat trailer, and then they just put a square frame on top of it. It's kind of got this unique torsion axle system on it. I've never seen one quite like this before. Seems to ride pretty good, nice and soft with the bikes on there. Yeah, not going to win any beauty contests here, but most importantly, I just thought I'd get all the loose rust knocked off of it and get it ready for some rust preventative. I think I'm going to go ahead and try the POR 15 paint, see how that works. It's supposed to go right over rust, seal it all up, be nice. So I'm going to have to get some of that. I think I'll make a second part to this video. So if you enjoyed watching this video, watching my boys work, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll make a part 2 of this with putting on the rust preventative. God bless. Take care.